To remove this radio, first we're going to start down here. I'm going to pull this trim out, take the ashtray out. So just unclip that. You can take it out of park, will make it easier. However, I'm going to try and do it without taking it out of park because I'm not in the driver's seat. You need to turn the ignition on. This little shift lock button still doesn't work. Take these knobs off. Actually, maybe you don't take all of them off. Always get them confused between the Toyota Hilux, which has different. You take them all off on that one. So there's one screw on this one. Put that in the centre, and then that whole panel pulls out. Those knobs, I think, stay in the dash. That's why they don't come out. That comes off around. I need to take this out of park, so I'm going to swap seats for a sec. Okay, that's out. So now we can move that. Probably just unplug that, get it out of the way. Two hands are always good. Just gotta get that out. Right. So we can get that down a bit. Down here are all the screws to hold the radio in. So there's a 10mm there, 10mm there, that's a lot back, that's back further. The same here, so 10mm there at the front and right down there at the back, 10mm. So I use a 10mm socket on a long extension. And I've also got a magnet on a long stick to grab those nuts because otherwise they might fall down into your dash. Right, now I've just undone all those and pulled them out, so holes, no more bolts. Now this whole thing will come out in one piece. If you didn't take those out first and you pull on this plastic surround will just come out and the radio will stay in there. But now that I've undone those, they'll all come out at one piece. Some of the times. There. Oh. Sometimes it stays on, it comes out all in one piece. But anyway, moving along. Is there a CD in there?
They were brave. They're rough.
Don't think there's a CD in there. Disc, no disc. No. But anyway, just lift it up because those little bottom feet there get caught down in that hole. So you've got to lift that up to get it out. Just grabbing on the top a bit. Yeah. So you're done. Unplug it at the back. And it's all out.